Hi, Kevin Retcher here. Market update for May 21st. Today's market session saw some heightened volatility in the bond market. Concerns over fiscal monetary policy is driving up interest rates. We are at the highest level since February. If you look at the 10-year, it touched 4.6, and we were at 4.8 in January, and we were at 4.53, 4.63 intraday on February 12th. So highest levels over the last 3 months. The bond market, 30-year treasuries topped 5% for the second time this week. And like I said, the 10-year treasury, 4.6. All of these things have us looking currently at the Fed watch. June prediction is that there's no rate cut in July, a 50% chance of one in September, and then we drop to the 30s. Unless there's a major catalyst, I personally am not expecting a rate cut this year. I still say that there could be some moments of where the bond market actually rallies and we could have some dips to where there are some refinance opportunities. It seems to be happening for about 2 or 3 days, about every 3 months or every 6 months or so. This week's bond sell-off was partially triggered by Moody's recent downgrade of U.S. Do want to talk about, if you do want to make a loan application, you can do a couple different things. You can go to the green button at the top, click on the green button, and actually make loan application. Or as you saw on the other screen, you can click that schedule an appointment button, and it will take you to my calendar, and you can get on my radar. One of the things that I will tell you is that I do think that the interest rates are going to remain volatile until the budget has been passed, if in fact that they do pass it. But the increased government borrowing could keep long-term yields elevated for a period of time. The Fed is basically on the sidelines in a watch and see mode. Some of those items within the budget, while they will increase the deficit, could also fuel inflation also and cause us to have higher interest rates and thus a little bit of stagflation. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. One of my claims to fame is that I've never missed a closing date in my 30-year career. I'm, as a Marine, always early. I never make more than 1% on a mortgage above my wholesale interest rates. Go to a bank, they're giving you retail rates. A lot of people will go to Costco to save money. Think of a mortgage broker as going to Costco, getting wholesale rates with a small margin of markup. Recent last week's loan application activity is down 5.1%, but we are still 13% higher than a year ago on purchases, reflecting a good buyer pool despite affordability challenges. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. This was your 5/21 market update. I'll talk to you soon.